marketing is a performance based marketing technique that has become a popular way to earn money online. Affiliate marketing involves promoting someone's product and earning a commission for each sale that you generate. In this video, we will discuss how to earn money from an affiliate marketing. Step 1. A niche is a specific area or topic that you want to focus on. For example, you could choose a niche in health and wellness, technology, fashion, or any other topic that you're passionate about. It is important to choose a nice niche that you are interested in and that has a market demand. This is most important. Market demand. Step 2. Choose an affiliate program. Once you have chosen a niche, that next step is choose an affiliate program. An affiliate program is a platform that connect you with companies that are looking for affiliate promoting their product. Some popular affiliate program includes Amazon SEO, Clickbank, and Commission Johnson. You can sign up for an affiliate program and browse through the available product to find products that are relevant to your niches. Step 3. This is the most important step. Choose a best platform. The next step is to choose a platform for your affiliate marketing script. You can create a blog, a YouTube channel, a social media page, or a website to promote your affiliate product. It is important to choose a platform that aligns with your niches and allow you to reach your targeted audience. Step 4. Create content. Once you have chosen a platform, the next step is to create content. You need to create content that is relevant to your niches and promotes your affiliate product. For example, if you have a health and wellness blog, you can create content on healthy eating habits and promote affiliate product related to health supplement, fitness equipment, or other health related product. You can also create product review, comparison posters, and other type of content that you can help your audience make informed buying decisions. Step 5. This is most important step. If you like this video, please can you subscribe this channel. Step 5. Build an audience. The next step is to build an audience. You need to promote your content and drive traffic to your platform. You can use social media, search engine optimization, email marketing, and other techniques to build an audience. It is important to engage with your audience and provide value to them. This will help you build a trust and credibility with your audience. Step 6. Promote affiliate product. The final step is to promote your affiliate product. You can do this by adding affiliate link to your content or creating special promotion and deals for your audience. You can also use banner ads, email marketing, and other promotional techniques to drive sales. Tips for success in affiliate marketing. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a market demand. Choose high quality affiliate product that aligns with your niche. Create high quality content that provide value to your audience. Build an audience through social media, search engine optimization, and other technique. Promote your affiliate product in a way that helpful and authentic to your audience. Monitor your result and make adjustment to your improve your performance. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.